Today on William's Adventures, we are going to be doing sewing for the flak vest. So let me spin the camera around and show you what I got going on. Alright. So I basically have a front and a back. And I did it a little bit more than I need on the outside just in case. Because, well, I've never done major sewing like this before. Hand sewing, fixing tears and buttons and stuff like that, yeah, but something like this, nope. So, I've already removed the needles out of this pattern, and as you can tell here, I still have to remove them out of here. And then I'm going to pin them together at basically at the top, and then down the sides to try it on, see how it fits. Alright. So what I did was I pinned out right along the collarbone there we go, right along my collarbone where it be. I pinned down the sides. This is pretty much good right under my armpit, so I'll just have to taper it in along here. And then this one is right where my belly button is. So I'm figuring if I go straight across, then it'll be good. But that's the, there'll be some minor tweaks obviously, but this gives me a general idea. Alright, here's a progress update. I literally just finished this. All I did was sew up this edge here, across the top here, where the shoulders are, as you can see there, and down this edge here. That's all I've done for the moment. I'm going to take and test it and see how it fits. Alright. Say it fits pretty well. I have to do some minor adjustments. Obviously, because you can see it's kind of bunched up right here. But I did get the edges right where I like them. Yeah. I'll make some minor adjustments, but it's very close fitting. That's the thing I like. It could be that I just have to make the shoulders a little bit bigger. Yeah, to see that did it, just opening this space up here. Okay. So taking and rounding this off a little bit more, we'll take and do that. But I love this color. Alrighty. Alright, so here's a quick update. I'm going to show you what I did, what I plan on doing. I'm going to hand the phone off to the wife and flip the camera around. Alright, here you go. So what I got going on here is the bottom of this, it's not hemmed yet, but is literally right above my belt line or waist. And there's a slight creasing here, but I'm okay with this. What I found out was if I run the edge of the shoulder seam where the sleeves attach if you reach in there and feel where the joint is, that's where the seam is going to be. And it's actually a little bit past it, like maybe half an inch on both sides. On the sides here, I'm going to take this seam out and sew a rectangle on the back so I can then have it velcroed. But this is the inside lining. You can see how form-fitting this is. And on the neck, because I'm going to sew the neck seal on here, I went down to the top of my collarbones. So this is the way I'm doing it, just so y'all know. Thoughts, opinions? And see, this comes right above where my belt is on my regular pants. And my navel was right there, and this actually covers it, barely. So, there we go. You press stop.